channel. So here we are discussing the question on Leetcode, which is find the longest semi-repetitive substring. So the problem states that you are given a zero index string S that consists of digits from 0 to 9. String T is called semi-repetitive if there are at most one consecutive pair of same digits inside T. We need to return the length of the longest semi-repetitive substring inside S. A substring is a contiguous non-empty sequence of characters within a string. So you can see in this example we have S equal to 52233. Read the statement carefully. It is at most one consecutive pair of the same digits. So in this case we have one consecutive pair of the same digits as 22. At most one is satisfied. So again we move to 3 3. It is the second pair, so we will neglect it. Hence our longest substring would be 5223 and the answer would be 4. Now in example 2 we have 5494. We do not have any consecutive digits, so we have at most one consecutive pair. So here it is 0 and hence the answer is 4 as we can take the whole string. Now in example 3 we have only two consecutive digits, hence the answer is 2 because all are one here. Now to go through this, how we get the intuition to solve this problem, let's first consider that we have variables such as one would be updating our maximum length, and we have a flag to check whether we have more than one pair or not, and then we would be updating our maximum length accordingly. Also, now we will use stack so that we keep these numbers updated in the stack to calculate the length and to check the number of pairs and the conditions which are required. So let's look at an example. Suppose we have the example of 5494. So we have a stack here. We first input 5 here. We then input 4 here. Before inputting 4, we check 5 and compare it with 4. They are not equal, so it is placed. Now the stack becomes 4 5 4. Next we go to 9. 9 is also not equal, so we just input 9, and similarly for 4. So our whole list is traversed, like the whole string is traversed, and we do not have any condition as such of consecutive pairs. Hence we return here the length of the stack, which is 4. So the output is 4. Now let's check with another example. Let's take the example which is not here. Suppose 0 0 1 0. Now in this, if you think, we have this pair of 0, but this is not in the pair, so hence the output should be 4 in this case. Now how the output is 4, let's check. We have this stack, we put 0 in this stack, check if our duplicate value was there or not. No, it is not there. And then we update our maximum length to 1. Then we check for the next element, which is 0. So we input 0 here, and also we keep flag to true. So our flag is updated to 1. Now we have the next iteration in which it is 1. 1 is different from 0, so we do not need to update anything. Here we will update 3. Now we check for the last character, which is 0, which is different from 1, so we do not need to bother, and we simply keep 0 here and update our maximum to 4. Now after the loop is completed, we check the size of the stack, which is 4, and the maximum length, we get it as 4. Hence we return this value and this would be our answer. So our answer returns 4 in this case. I hope you all understand this solution.